So I'm Sebastian, VP Engineering at Law Pilots, and as the title already suggests, I'm responsible for the software development part at Law Pilots, as well as cloud operations, quality assurance, everything around our software services. In collaboration with Instinct Tools, we mainly developed our learning management system, which is a software service that is basically a web application that allows our users to manage their employees in terms of inviting them to the system, rolling out trainings to them, basically the content that we provide as learnings. The Instinct Tool developers helped us first and foremost build the system for more than 5 years, actually, I think, until we decided to replace it with the second generation of a learning management system, where also, like some of your engineers, helped us to develop this. And lately, we also introduced resources from Instinct Tools for quality assurance. So the quality assurance engineer is from Instinct Tools, and he did a great job, actually, to introduce us to automated QA so that the software that we are delivering with the features that are rolled out over and over again are properly tested. One of the key benefits that I see for us by partnering with Instinct Tools is for sure the introduction of our automated QA based on the latest hire we got from Instinct Tools. And that really helped us to improve the quality of our software, specifically the newer systems that we are working on. And another really important benefit that I can't highlight enough is actually the dedication and effort that was put into our existing learning management system from the engineers of Instinct Tools to develop that system from ground up with very limited time and still improve the system to address needs of the teams internally that we have, and also to support customers with issues that they have. So the system grew over 5 years, and it's still up and running nicely. It works, and this kind of service reliability is also what Instinct Tools helped us to deliver. So I start also with the engineering part, because that's, for me, the most important, obviously. They are fully integrated. So we are a company that provides hybrid or remote work for all our employees. So from Instinct Tools, we have people that are also across Europe. So we do our work, our communication, mostly through video calls and typical remote work, basically. But they are still fully integrated. Bigger picture is obviously that we also talk with your account managers or our account manager at Instinct Tools once a month at least, where we discuss a little bit the general setup, if everything is still good, like if we are comfortable with the people that we get from you. So I provide feedback all the time. Then I also possibly get some feedback if there's something, or get a heads up if there's a change in people, maybe. Also happens. I mean, you're an agency after all, right? And sometimes your people go to other companies and work there, then you need to pull them from our projects. That's work after all. But these kind of discussions we are having then once a month. And in general, I'm really super happy with how this collaboration works, both on the side of the business with the account management and that I always know that I have an open ear, and that my requests are processed, addressed, and I get solutions. And on the engineering part, that I can rely on the people that I get. I think there are different aspects. Of course, pricing, right? Pricing, the value that you get for the price you pay. That is one very important aspect. But for me, it's also that I have the feeling that there's a connection when we talk, right? That you understand what I need and that you deliver like possibilities, options for my request, to address my request. And again, like for instance, with a QA engineer, I asked, hey, do you have someone with experience? I need someone urgently, and on a very short notice, I got several candidates and could like look through them. I got the chance to speak with them, got a feeling how they work, how they operate, how they think. And that gave me this confidence that I want to continue working with you, right? Again, as I said earlier, Instinct Tools was already there when I joined Law Pilots as VP Engineering, but I learned to trust the people that you provide, and that's why I want to continue. By choosing Instinct Tools to work with, I'm guaranteed to get people that I can rely on and that I can trust to get the work done that needs to get done.